Let me say this clearly. If your business is working, but it feels heavier than it should, you're not failing. How do I know this? Stay tuned. Hi, I'm Michelle Mitchell. I am the CEO and founder here at Mitchell Consulting. We are an accounting firm that helps founders and CEOs just like you bridge the gap between your passion and your profit in your business. And how do I know this? I was once you. Then I was able to make the shift to CEO. So if this is interesting to you, keep watching. So I want you to know that you are not behind. You have not made bad money decisions. You've just likely outgrown the financial systems that got you here. And most CEOs don't realize until the tension shows up first why success can feel harder at the next level. Here's what I see with seasoned CEOs all the time. Revenue is up. You've proven your revenue model. Your business is legit, and you have begun growing a team. But the decisions feel slower. Your confidence is a little bit shakier. And suddenly, every financial decision feels loaded. That's not because you're regressing. It's because the systems that supported you as an operator don't support you as a CEO. You need to up-level your financial systems. The hidden role your numbers are playing in your business. Most financial systems are built to record the history, not to guide the leadership. We record the past because of compliance. But when we look to the future, we're forecasting what hasn't even happened yet. So when you can't tell how much cash you can safely spend, or you don't fully trust the reports that you have, you feel anxious about delegating because you're not sure whether the business can actually stand on its own because you can't afford it. That's not a mindset issue. It's really a clarity issue about where your business is going. But what seasoned CEOs eventually realize at a certain point is that financial clarity becomes their leadership responsibility, not an accounting task. Because my business was an accounting business, that's what I thought. Like, I'm relying on these financial statements that I'm creating. I wasn't doing the numbers, but those aren't the numbers. I was doing the numbers, but those aren't the numbers that I needed. I needed more insight into the financials that are going to help me make business decisions. So you don't need more reports. You need to know what your reports are actually telling you, what they are signaling to you so that you can make better decisions. You need the numbers that can help you decide what to do and to delegate off to another team member. And lead without second guessing yourself. I needed to understand the story that my numbers were telling me, and I needed to be able to ask the right questions about planning for the future or making decisions for the future and what that insight could tell me. And the question that most business owners like you are asking me is, can I really afford to hire that expert team member on my team? And you don't know this answer because the financials aren't telling you where to look, right? They're telling you what has happened in the past. But if we want to use what has happened in the past to help us project the future, then we need to look at our financial statements a little bit differently. So, what I want to share is if this is resonating with you right now, I have a resource that will help you diagnose whether your financial system is actually supporting you as a CEO or not. I'll share that with you at the end of the video. So, why this matters now? Most CEOs actually ignore this stage of business, and what they tend to do, and what I was guilty of too, is just pushing harder. I have to grow. I have to do these things, and I'm causing more stress on myself at this stage because I'm not really sure what my numbers are telling me or where to turn. You know, you wait for something to break and then you make a decision instead of being proactive and getting things in place that you need for the business growth or to remove yourself as the bottleneck. But you get caught in this trap of, can I afford it? Can I not afford it? Like, what should I do? And I understand that. But the truth is that you need to do something different. What got you here was enough then. And it's not wrong, but it's also not complete. It's not going to get you to where you want to be as the CEO of this business that you have put your blood, sweat, and tears into. If you're wondering whether or not your numbers are helping you lead or is quietly holding you back, the next thing I want you to do is watch this little webinar I created called Is Your QuickBooks Lying to You? And this will help give you some clarity about your numbers, but let's not start fixing it yet. Let's get clear about what we're actually seeing in our numbers and if the system that we thought we had built is actually good enough for where we're trying to go. So in the description, grab the link, watch that video, and then take the next step. Until next time, I'll talk to you soon.